Hi guys, you probably noticed something a little bit different about my truck. It actually has a back window. And the reason for that is a day cab Volvo. One of these small ones, probably the smallest one they make. They make three sizes. The one I normally drive is the middle of the range, and then there's a bigger one again, which is high, you can stand up in it, got more storage space. This is a little day cab that runs around Melbourne during the day, does containers, and when they run out of trucks we have to use these to do our job. It's quite busy with extra loads towards Christmas. So we get to drive these. Now I call these Umpa lumpa trucks because you've got to be the size of an Umpa lumpa to actually fit in them. And if you don't know what an Umpa lumpa is, it's a little person that works at Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. They also run low profile tyres on them, so they actually look lower again. And with the trailers, which are 4.6 metres, it's about 15 feet, they are really small when you look at it from side on. When I actually do my change, I'll just show you how low they are to the ground and how small the wheels are. But they do go alright. They, I think they're around 500 horsepower. So they do tow these. We don't have a lot of weight, as you know, but they get the job done. Might take a little bit long because the fuel tanks aren't as big, so we have to usually fuel somewhere on our trip on the way up and possibly on the way back. It depends on how much fuel the local driver leaves us. So that's what we've got tonight. There is a few things I don't like about these little ones. The steering wheel doesn't adjust like the other ones do. It's got no tilt on it. The mirrors, because of the slope on the windscreen, don't adjust up enough for me. So I like to sit a little bit higher in the seat, put quite a bit of air in it, because I like it to actually work and not just be solid. So it's a bit of a fault with Volvo, I think. They just need to adjust the bracket, maybe put a new bracket because it is fixed, so you can't make any adjustments to the bracket. Fix that, and we've got to get the more tilt on that mirrors, because you really only just see the back of the trailer. You can't really see too much down the road, only just a corner of a mirror. Another thing I don't like, they don't have a USB for the radio, so I've got to listen to the radio stations that happen to be around the area, which aren't too bad. They play decent music, I guess. Some of them, there's talkback radio as well. So that's what we're driving tonight, and possibly the next 2 days. I've got only got 2 more days of driving after tonight, and then I'll be on 11 days of a break. I'll come back after New Year and we'll start all over again. So that's what I'm doing now.